Today I will tell you how to add text to a web page. There are two ways to add text in HTML. That is as in paragraph and as a topic. If adding a topic, use the H tag, and the P tag is used for a paragraph. Related when using the H tag, there are values like H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. In this case, the size is smaller when going from H1 to H6. This also has a closing tag. We use P tag in a paragraph. This also has a closing tag just like the H tag. Look this now, when I type here, everything is put in one line. If you want to, break the lines. We can use the BR tag like this. This does not have a closing tag. Look now, break it 2 lines. Thanks for watching. We will meet again next video.